家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host and native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one practical Mandarin word or phrase that you can start using right away. Today's word is 要. 要. It means want or need, and it's one of the most useful words in everyday Mandarin. Today's character is 要. 要. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 要. Again, 要. One more time, 要. Now, let's look at the tone. 要 uses the fourth tone, starts high and drops sharply. Listen and repeat. 要. 要. Let's order some food together. 我要一杯咖啡。我要一杯咖啡。I'd like a coffee. 我要一个披萨。我要一个披萨。I'd like a pizza. 我要一碗牛肉面。我要一碗牛肉面。I'd like a bowl of beef noodles. See the pattern? Whenever you want something, just say 我要. Imagine someone asks, 你要喝咖啡吗？你要喝咖啡吗？ Do you want some coffee? If you do, you can simply say, 我要，谢谢。我要，谢谢。Yes, I'd like some. Or if you don't, 不要，谢谢。不要，谢谢。No, thank you. Native speakers often answer this way instead of repeating the whole sentence. If you'd like to review how to say 谢谢, click the card in the top right corner of the screen to watch that lesson. Now you are connecting words together just like native speakers do in everyday conversation. And that's today's daily Mandarin word, 要. 要. Practice it 3 times with me. 要. 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 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never